Hello, Tony. It's Viviana here. This is the video that I promised, and today I want to share with you some information that can actually help you boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to be covering your website, the homepage, content, the Google Business Profile, as well as the something that we call backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see here that you have your contact details, the license number, very important. Um, you have a little bit of a pictures of the different type of jobs, so vinyl, gates, aluminum, and also some description of a brief description of the company, the different areas that you serve, um, and then links to your social media accounts. So a few comments here. First of all, I can see here that it says not secure, so that means that it doesn't have the security certificate. That's very important for Google because Google wants to rank websites that are safe and secure for users to navigate. So something to have a look at. Also, you don't have the click to call button over here. So that's very important for people using a mobile phone to have this as a click to call button. And you could actually improve the look and feel of the website, just perhaps make it a little bit more modern. You could have the contact us form again for people using a mobile phone to make it just very easy for them to reach out to you. And in terms of the content that you have right now, the content that you have, it's around 432 words. And it's through content that Google first is able to understand what the website is about. And second, you are able to push through relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google when they want to buy a product or a service. Let's have a look at two of your competitors. So these guys, Orange County Fence, these guys have 206 words, and Superior Fence and Rail, these guys have 2,513 words. And to be optimized for Google, ideally, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. So just bear in mind that that's an opportunity for you to improve. Is just throwing more content and more relevant content by adding buyer intent keywords. So I came to Google and I type in Orange County Fence. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads. Google Ads are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The flip side is that they can be very expensive and some people turn them off in their browsers. The second section is the map pack. This section drives 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank at the top, you need to have optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need citations, which is basically to be listed on directories, such as Yelp, for example. And the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile, so that Google can verify them, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you first need to have a website that is correctly built in terms of, that is safe, that is responsive, and that has the right content, and then you also need something that is called backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now, I am looking at your website and I can see that there are 40 websites or external websites pointing to your website or directing traffic to your website. If I have a look at these guys, Orange County Fence, they have 53 referring domains, directing traffic through 326 backlinks. And Superior Fence and Rail, they have, well, this is a landing page for Orange County. So there are, just for this landing page, there are 2 external websites directing traffic to that particular website. If I have a look at the whole parent domain, there are 1,660 referring domains directing traffic through 9,760 backlinks. And just to bear in mind, some of that power is passed on from the parent to that particular landing page. But the most important message here is that this is a mechanism that Google has to identify which is the website that has the most, relevant according to the search that people are performing. And it's going to signal to Google which one is considered an authority, or which website is considered an authority in that particular topic. So it's important to have those backlinks, not only have more, but have backlinks that are sitting on websites that are related to your services and to your industry, so that Google can verify you and can verify them and then give you extra credits for this. Now, the other section that I wanted to share is the organic keywords. Your website is being found for 71 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the search volume, so the number of times those keywords are searched for per month and in which position you are appearing for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th, the 11th, the 12th position means that it's going to be really hard to attract traffic because you're already on the second page of Google. So for example, I can see here, so by your intent keywords, so fence company, Southern California, you're on first position and the search volume is 70. And because of that, you were able to drive 24 visits. It's the same one as this one. Fencing Orange County, you're in the 10th position. Fence company, Orange County, you're in the 16th position. Let's have a look at these guys. Orange County Fence, they were being ranked for, they are being found for 83 organic keywords. And in here, I highlighted some of those keywords. So we have vinyl, fencing, Orange County. The search volume is 350. These guys are in the 14th position, so they are not driving too much traffic. But for example, Orange County Fence, the search volume is 150, and because they're in the first position, the traffic was 61 visits. And this is an estimate. This is the same. Orange County Fences with an S. The search volume is 150. They're in the first position. They were able to drive 48 visits. So basically the message here is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website. And then if you build the backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank at the top, maximizing the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's the way traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website, and also please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.